Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is Sir Uzair here, Uzair Khalil, UK Mathematics with UK. So, in this video, right now, we are going to solve question number 16. So, P is the point minus 2, comma 1, and Q is the point. So, the point of P is minus 2, comma 1, and the point Q is 6 comma 13. Okay, let's see go. M is the midpoint of the line PQ. So find the coordinates of point M. Okay, coordinates of M. It means we have to find the value of midpoint. And you know very well the formula of midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay. So we know very well about x1 and x2. x1, this is x1, y1, and the second is x2 and y2. So we will solve. Now x1 is minus 2. Now x2 is 6 divided by 2. Now y1 is 1 and y2 is 13 on 2. Now minus 2 plus 6 is 4 divided by 2 and 1 plus 13 is 14 divided by 2. Now 4 by 2 is 2. Now 14 divided by 2 is 7. The coordinates of midpoint is 2 comma 7. It's very simple. The formula of midpoint, you know very well, x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now here we go. Now part 3. Find the gradient of the line PQ. It's quite simple. Gradients, the formula of gradient is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And we have 2 points P and Q, which is the P and Q. So y2 minus y1. So y2 is 13. Y2 is 13 minus y1 is minus 2. Sorry, 1. And x2 is 6 and x1 is minus 2. 6 minus 2. 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. Now 6 minus minus plus 2. Now 12 upon 8. Now 12 upon 8 means you have to cancel out 4 multiplied by 2 and 4 multiplied by 3. Now gradient is m is equal to 3 oblique 2. Okay. Now the answer is m is equal to 3 upon 2. Is that clear? Now part B. We are going to solve, sorry, part 2. B part 2, write down the gradient of a line, sorry, is perpendicular to the line PQ. What does it mean? Write down the gradient of a line that is perpendicular to the line PQ. Just suppose this line PQ, uh, yeah, like this. This is the line PQ. For example, this is the line PQ, and the slope or gradient of this line is 3 upon 2, and another line is perpendicular to this line PQ like this, and you have to find the gradient of this line. And you know very well, we will suppose this gradient is m1 and this gradient is m2, and the condition of perpendicular lines m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1, and we have to find m2, the gradient of the second line which is perpendicular to PQ. So the value of m1 is 3 upon 2 multiplied by m2 is equal to minus 1. 2 will be shifted into right hand side. So minus 1 multiplied by 2 and 3 will be divided. Okay. So m2 is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So answer is minus 2 upon 3. Okay, this is the condition of perpendicular lines. Is that clear? So I hope you have cleared all the points regarding this question. Question is 16. If you have any query regarding this, so you can ask me. My number is 03463527 and subscribe my channel Mathematics with UK. Take care. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.